there are so many new and exciting Barbie releases going on right now, and one of them is the new wave of Yoga Made to Move Barbies. This is the fourth wave they have released, and I am so excited to take a closer look at them. These dolls are great options for body donors when you want to change your limited articulated dolls to have more articulation. And so I'm really excited that now we have more of them to be options for body swapping. So let's take a closer look at these dolls and see what our new body type and skin tone options are. Nomenclature, which is just a fancy way to say, how am I going to name these dolls? So this is the fourth wave of Yoga Made to Move dolls. Well, the first wave is identified by their shirt color. So they all have a different color shirt, and then you just say the blue top, the purple top, orange top. And the next wave all had gray shirts. So then I identified them by floral, because they had floral leggings, and then their hairstyle or their hair color. So like the floral brunette or the floral bun. Then the third wave, I distinguished them by their pant color, since some of them had the same color shirt as the wave 1 dolls. So how are we going to distinguish wave number 4? Well, I have decided to name them after their pants. Again, but all of the pants have this marble effect, as you can see. So I'm going to name them Color Marbled Pant Doll. If that makes sense. So this will be the blue marble Yoga Made to Move, the purple marble Yoga Made to Move, and the pink marbled Yoga Made to Move. I would go by shirt color, but they pretty much both have a pink shirt, so that doesn't really work. I mean, maybe hers is a little more purple, hers a little more pink, but we're gonna go by the pants. She has a Made to Move Brooklyn body. As always, I love to look at the packaging to see if there's any cute artwork I can harvest, so let's take a closer look. The dolls come in a clear rectangle box with images of all 3 dolls in the wave on the back, and individual photos of the doll doing yoga poses on the front. Packaging is the same for all 3 dolls, so let's get them out of the boxes. First up is the blue marbled pants. She has the Millie face mold and blonde hair that's more yellow golden than the typical Millie doll comes with. She's also wearing a pink headband that's just a rubber band. She has a purplish pink exercise top on and is wearing long blue leggings. These are full-length leggings versus the other dolls came in capri-length leggings, which means that these leggings are a bit of a pain in the butt to take on and off, especially when they get turned inside out. Getting them right side out again is just a whole long process. So I kind of like the capris better. This doll has an original body, and other than that, she's just your basic Millie doll. The purple marbled pants doll has a curvy body and the head mold of Fashionista 209. For some reason, I didn't really like this head mold on Fashionista 209, but I like it on the purple marbled pants, and I'm really not sure what the difference is. Her face paint is very smooth, and she has brown hair with a waterfall ponytail. Maybe it's the brown hair that makes the difference. I am a sucker for brown hair. She also has a pinkish purple top, and when I put her top next to the blue marbled pants shirt, I couldn't see any color difference. So I think it's just the same shirt. Her pants are purple with the marbled effect, hence the name. The shirt velcros in the back, and the pants are just slip-on. The pants are also a pain to put on and off, but a little easier because there's more fabric. I am a sucker for a curvy doll, and I like the fact that she has a newish face mold. So this doll may be one of the rare Yoga Made to Moves who gets to keep her head. The pink marbled pants is on a new, never before seen, first of its kind, Made to Move Brooklyn body, which I've also seen this body type referred to as the athletic body type. She has the Brooklyn face mold, and her black hair is in a high ponytail with painted edges. I love Brooklyn's face mold. It's just so cheerful and cute. She's wearing an orange top and pink pants that, again, slide on and the top velcros in the back. Orange is my favorite color, so that's another point going for this doll. I am so happy to have a Brooklyn Made to Move body type. So let's see how this new body type compares to the original Made to Move body. If you're interested in how a 5-point Brooklyn body compares to other 5-point body types, you can check out this video that I did a couple of years ago. The Brooklyn body type has a slightly smaller bust and fuller waist compared to the original body type. Her arms are also more muscular looking, as are her thighs and calves. Her body is also using a different hand mold than the original body, and here you can see the difference in their side profile. Here's the back comparison, which is basically what we saw in the front of their bodies, just duplicated. Now let's see how the doll's skin tones compare to other Made to Move dolls. And spoiler, none of the skin tones are new skin tones. We have seen all of them before. The blue marble pants shares a skin tone with the pink pants Yoga Made to Move and the volleyball player, which means that she falls into the pink pants skin tone family and is the same as all the dolls that you see here. The purple marbled pants Yoga Made to Move has a skin tone body type combination that we've already seen before, and she has the same skin tone as the green pants Yoga Made to Move, the curvy dancer, and the tall basketball player. Therefore, her skin tone matches all of these dolls here. The pink marbled pants has the same skin tone as the purple pants Yoga Made to Move, which isn't exactly the same as the yellow top, but is very, very close. Close enough that I categorize them as the same skin tone. She's not in a new skin tone, but she is a new body type in this skin tone family of the purple pants Yoga Made to Move dolls, and as such, she matches all the dolls you can see here. To close, I am so excited about this new wave of Yoga Made to Move dolls. They are great options if you want to body swap dolls onto Made to Move bodies. And it's just amazing now that we have a Brooklyn Made to Move body type. That's definitely the highlight of this wave for me. I do wish that they had had a couple more in this line. 3 is the least number that they've released in a Yoga Made to Move line so far. The last 2 waves had 4 dolls. So, just one more would have been nice. And then, of course, I'm always on the hunt for new skin tones. So it would have been cool to see some new skin tones as well. And I do still hold out hope that one day we'll get a slimkin Made to Move body. And I feel like, a yoga line might be a good place to slip him in. But even still, I am so excited for this line. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. That was very high energy. I hope it was good.